Hello, boys and girls. Today we're taking a moment to look at step number 3 here in the Make Your Own quiz game. The directions for step 3 say type in your question on the example slide. For example, slide 3 of this Google slide. So I'm going to look over here. It shows me slides 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to click on number 3. I have chosen the topic of math for today. So I am going to give my students the problem. There it is. And then I'm going to type 2 possible answers here. So let me go back to my directions and be sure I am following those directions. Type in your question on the example slide, for example, slide 3, just did that. Then hyperlink your answers to the answer slides. See a tutorial here. That is the tutorial I'm making right now. I'm going to head back to slide 3 and I'm going to quick add those up here using my paper and pencil. All right, so I'm going to choose that answer B is going to be the correct answer. So 3,725. Now maybe I take that and I make it bigger. Okay, and then I need to decide a wrong answer. So to decide a wrong answer for a math problem, you want to be kind of tricky, okay? If I just give the answer 1, for example, they're going to know that that's not correct, okay? Looking at these numbers, 3,476 rounds to 3,000. Oops, I forgot my comma. Here we go. So it's about 3,000 and then 249 rounds to about 200. So I'm looking for an answer at about 3,200. That's one way you could think about it. Another way you could think about it is by looking at on your paper where you might have made a mistake, okay? So when I'm looking at my paper, let me see if I can show you what I'm looking at here. Plus 249 plus 249. All right, so here's what I'm looking at. When I have 6 plus 9, it's going to be 15, and I'm going to take that 1 up top above the 7 to be sure to add that up. I think that's something tricky for students, so I'm actually going to say the answer is 3,715, okay? So now I'm giving my students, I'm going to make them both the same size so one of them doesn't look more tempting than the other. So what we've done here is we've created 2 possible answers. One is correct and one is incorrect. So now to hyperlink those answers, okay? I'm going to highlight this. So I'm going to the correct answer first. Notice the correct answer. I want it to take them to slide 4. So here, again, I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to this little button that says insert link. I could also get there by hitting Control K. I'm going to hit that button and then it's going to ask me either for a website, which is actually not what I want. I want to click slides in this presentation and I notice over here it's slide 4 that is correct. So I'm going to come and click on slide 4 and I'm going to say apply. Then for the incorrect answer, that would be step 5, or that, excuse me, slides 5. So again, I'm going to that link button. I'm going to say slides in this presentation, and this time I'm going to slide 5. So there we go. I have now hyperlinked this document, okay? You can do that again down here. This time, just for the sake of keeping it simple, let's say 20 plus 50. You can probably do that in your mind. Let's say one possible answer I give, I'm going to put the right answer over there this time, and 60. Okay, so again, to show you again, you highlight your answer. This is the correct answer, so I want it to go to slide 7. So I'm going to say link, slides in this presentation. I'm going to go down in my options and go to you're correct and apply. Same thing over here. select it, link, I'm going to slide 8 this time, apply. All right, there it is, my questions and hyperlinked answers. Until next time.